So now we have to go over here to start raffle and pick random winner. Good luck, everyone. Thrifting ain't easy. I'm feeling creepy. Comping diapers on my eBay app. What is up, everybody? Welcome back. My name is Anthony. It's actually a beautiful day here in Indiana. It's about 50 degrees, the sun is shining, the snow is melting, and that is what I want to see because that means that garage sales are coming. In fact, 2 sales have already popped up near me this week, one tomorrow and one Friday, both within 5 minutes of my house. So I am excited. And if all goes well, then that means a fun-filled week of picking style videos over here on the channel. So definitely stay tuned for that. As far as today goes, just kind of a little house cleaning video. I have a bunch of orders that I need to pull and pack from froggyflips.com. And also, we're going to give this label printer away today. So make sure you stick around because we are going to announce the winner of this awesome label printer right here. But before I do that, I do want to show you one quick thing that I did to the channel, something that I've been kind of holding out on for a long time. And that is I started a channel membership. You can see the little join button right there. Now, the reason I've been holding out is I found it kind of hard to come up with a membership that I didn't find super lame for a few different reasons. One, I don't consider myself an expert in anything, so I wasn't about to charge for advice or mentoring or anything like that because that would just be ridiculous. In fact, I don't really view this channel as an education channel or a reseller education channel or anything like that. I don't feel like I teach people how to do anything. I look at this as more of just like kind of an entertainment channel where I go out and hunt for cool, vintage, interesting things, and I make videos about it. If you learn stuff along the way, awesome. I mean, I do have people tell me that they learn stuff, and that's great. But I'm just saying I don't consider myself a teacher at all. Second, I didn't want it to appear like I'm charging for content. My videos are free. They'll always be free. That's the beauty of YouTube. You may have to sit through a couple ads, but I'm not charging people for videos. Not that anyone would pay for them anyway. I'm just saying. So we did some thinking on a way that would avoid those little wormholes that I didn't want to go down and still be able to start a membership. And basically what it comes down to is this. When it comes to the views of my video, I can plainly see pretty much what my viewing audience is. Picking videos like garage sales and estate sales and private picks and all that stuff, those get the bulk of the views. Many of those get way more views than I even have subscribers. I love making that type of video, and I mean, that's why I'm excited about garage sale season starting up. Then there's a much smaller portion of the audience that likes those videos, but also likes these little fill in the gap videos, I like to call them, these little in the office, behind the scenes, what you do when you're not picking type videos. So I definitely try to make these videos too, where it's just me in the office doing things that isn't buying stuff, basically. And then there's an even smaller portion of the audience that likes to buy things, basically likes to watch the videos of the cool stuff I buy, and then they like to have first dibs to buy it themselves. And that's a segment of the audience that I probably ignored for way too long. Not on purpose, it's just kind of how it worked out. And I've tried to kind of correct that, like with the website I'm building and stuff. I reserve that for the more interesting things, the vintage things, the rare things, all that. And that's working out really well. So when it comes down to it, the membership that I set up is kind of for that group of people. That way I'm not charging for content. That way I'm not charging for expertise or mentorships or anything like that. So let me show you quickly what this membership entails. All right, so I definitely wanted to keep it cheap. It's $2.99 per month. I felt like that was an amount that most people aren't going to notice coming out, and it's just what you would spend going to grab a soda and a bag of chips at the gas station or something. And then also the membership is called Junk Squad. But like all the other YouTube channels that have memberships, you get your little badges. They say Junk Squad right here, and they change every month. So you can kind of see how long that you've been a member. So that's what that says. You know, you get your loyalty badges, blah, 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 blah. So then the next perk says early access exclusive haul videos. And what that means is these picking videos that I do, at the end of them all, I always do kind of like a haul scene where I basically show you just kind of up close everything I bought. And basically what that perk means is before that video goes live, a private video of just that haul part will go live for the members so they can see the stuff I got and they can check froggyflips.com and see if it's available yet. And it's just kind of like a perk to where if you want to buy stuff, you'll know before other people that it is available for sale. So then along with that, you'll get a coupon code, like an exclusive coupon code per video. You know, it could be 10% off an item, it could be 30% off an item. It'll probably change up every video. The next perk is a once a month members only auction. So I buy more throughout the month than I could ever list myself. And I don't like things building up into just big piles of crap or anything. And I've always wanted to try like a live stream auction, but I think it's a slippery slope and I don't want this channel to become an auction channel. So I figured a once a month members only auction could kind of fit the bill to satisfy my auction needs and not cloud up the rest of the channel with live stream auctions, because that's not what I want to do. So that's perk number 2. And then the last perk is access to a private Facebook group, also called Junk Squad. And what that'll do is a few things. It'll give me a place to announce when these videos go live. It'll give other people a chance to, if they don't see what they're looking for that they want to buy or whatever, they can request it there. And it's a lot easier than trying to send emails and getting buried in my inbox and being forgotten about and all that stuff. And then also, it won't really be a reseller group, but I mean, a lot of the people will be resellers. But, you know, you can just talk about whatever you want in there, as long as you're nice, as long as there's no politics or anything like that. Just could be a cool little way to communicate. So that's kind of my vision there. I may add perks or tweak perks depending on how things work out. I'm just trying something new. I'm just trying. All right, so I did put a community post up about this little membership thing last night, and of course, a lot of people don't see those, but we did get 5 members from it. So I want to thank my mom, Cynthia. I promised her a shout out because she was number 1. Elliot, Ethan, Amy, and my buddy Kevin. So those are our first 5 members. So that's pretty exciting. And I'm not going to talk about this group a lot. This is just kind of the video introducing it. It's there if you want it. No hard feelings. I'm not going to jam it down anyone's throat or anything, but I just had to make something to show that it was available if you want it. And if not, that's cool. Just keep watching the videos. That's all I want. Awesome. Thank you. All right, so to commemorate this, Sarah wanted to do something kind of special. So what she did was she had a bunch of t-shirts left over, blank t-shirts from an old project, and she had some old vinyl. So she made some t-shirts that are going to be for sale for much cheaper than most t-shirts that you buy, like through the Teespring store or anything like that. But they basically say Froggy Flips Junk Squad. And you don't have to be a member to buy one of these, but they're going to be available for, I think, $12.99 plus shipping, which I think is a pretty good price for a t-shirt because they're nice, high quality Gildan t-shirts, hand designed by Sarah. And there's only so many of each size. I think there's a little bit of each size, but there's only so many of each size. And the catch is you won't know what color you're getting. It's a black t-shirt, but you won't know what color the print's going to be. So I think that's kind of fun. So those will be available for sale for $12.99 plus shipping. If you're interested, just check out froggyflips.com where they'll be listed. People have been wanting a new t-shirt and Sarah finally made it happen. So thank you, darling. All right, so now we have to get our orders pulled and then we're going to do the giveaway. So stay tuned. All right, we have this vintage sprinkler right here. This is from my recent Kevin pick. It's going out to Don for $8 plus shipping. Thank you so much, Don. I hope it fits your need. Then we got 2 hats going out to Josh. We have a Cummins hat and we have this Royal George, Colorado trucker cap. These are going out for $21 plus shipping minus the 20% off for using the coupon code Froggy. And like I said, these are going out to Josh, who actually has a really cool reselling YouTube channel called Flips Finds Fun. And he left a nice note that says, "Hey Anthony, it's Josh over at Flips Finds Fun. Wanted to get these hats to send to some friends. Always praying for you and the family. Thanks for all you do. Love ya." Josh is a super nice guy and I like him and appreciate him a lot. And I really hope your friends like these hats, Josh. Thank you so much, buddy. And then we have this lot of Lionel Train Railroad Club buttons. I think there's like 8 buttons in there. These are going out for $10 plus shipping and they're going out to Edwin, who left a nice note that says, "I like your channel. Hope everything is well. Could I please get a sticker? Thanks, Edwin." Of course you can get a sticker, Edwin, and I really hope you like the buttons. Thank you so much, my friend. My first international shipment from the Vintage Frog is this Couts annual Pork Fest hat. Mike got me off my butt and got me to set up some international shipping. This is going to Canada. Pretty soon I hope to have all the listings available for both Canada and everywhere else, but that's something we're currently working on. But thank you so much, Mike. I hope you enjoy the hat. Next up, from our old friend KJ, we have this stack of 1940s comic strips, these vintage children's activity books, the set of manuals from Sony and John Deere, etc. KJ left a note that says, "Not seeing the KFC piece, whatever it is, and the burger game, I think you called it. If I get a price, maybe we can just throw it in with this stuff. Unless you listed it while I was typing this. By the way, I still think the world of you and your family. You're a real stand-up guy. Love you." Thank you so much, KJ. He was talking about this KFC piece here and that big vintage burger chef game. So I'm going to go ahead and throw in this KFC piece here because it won't add to the weight or anything. The burger chef game is about this big, so I got to do some figuring on how to ship that. But for now, we'll get this taken care of. And KJ, thank you so much, buddy. I really appreciate that. Next up, we have these two vintage Oak Ridge Boys satin jackets. I think these things are awesome. These are going out to Christy. One was $26, one was $28. And Christy left a nice note that says, "You rock, thank you." Well, thank you so much, Christy. I really appreciate that, and I hope you love the jackets. Next up, we have a vintage Oak Ridge Boys t-shirt with a cute little cow on the front. This is going out to Lena that left a message that says, "Wish you had picked more girly things. I do my best. I'm sorry. I'm trying. But I am glad that you were able to find a t-shirt, and I hope you enjoy it." Thank you, Lena. And then we have a long sleeve Oak Ridge Boys t-shirt going out for $14 plus shipping. This is going to Laura Lee. Laura Lee, thank you so much, and I really hope you enjoy the t-shirt. We have this big stack of Midwestern maps and travel brochures, all vintage. I think most of them are from the 80s. Got these from an estate sale recently, and they are going out to Chris for $8 plus shipping. And Chris said, "Love the channel, great content, keep up the great work." Thank you so much, Chris. I really appreciate it. And then we have two items on this order. We have this Dale Jr. inflatable with the Oreo graphics, race car inflatable, and this old English pewter tankard. The inflatable's going out for 16 plus shipping, and the tankard's going out for 8 plus shipping. These are going out to Jen, who says, "I remember asking you about 3 or 4 weeks ago about getting stickers. I was watching your videos instead of my superhero movie, Thor. I'm so excited." Well, I do have stickers now, so you will get a couple with this. Jen, I want to thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Next up, we have this set of vintage Rock'em Sock'em robots. Not the game, just the replacement robots. I think these are from the 70s. These are going out to David. David, thank you so much. I really hope they work out for you. The next order, we have this amazing handmade pitcher, as well as these very cool salt and pepper grinders. These are both from that millionaire estate sale recently. And these are both going out to Susan, who says, "I bought the pitcher also. Please include a sticker and tell Elliot I said hi." Will do, Susan. Thank you so much. I think these are amazing pieces, and I really hope you enjoy them. And then we have some Shriner stuff. This is a bag of vintage Shriner tie tacks and pins and buttons. And then this is a set of Shriner cufflinks, vintage also. These are both going out to Jared. The tie tacks and buttons are going out for $16, and the cufflinks are going out for 12 plus shipping. Thank you so much, Jared. I really hope you enjoy these. And then we have another order with 2 items. This bag of vintage keys and keychains from a garage sale recently. And then this bag of random action figures that I got from my buddy Clay over at Bay 7 Vintage. The key lot was $6, and the action figures were $14 plus shipping. And then he used the coupon code Froggy, so we got 20% off, which was $4 off. And if I didn't say, these are going out to Donnie. And Donnie says, "Thanks for my items, my wife Angela, and I love your content. Keep on flipping, Froggy. More orders are in my future." Thank you so much, Donnie. I really appreciate the kind words, and I hope you guys enjoy these. And then we have this cool TNT Hydraulics vintage denim hat going out to Ryan for $22 plus shipping. And Ryan said, "Thanks, dude. Love the videos and all the info. Keep it up." Thanks so much, my man. I'm sure this hat's gonna look super dope on you. And then we have just kind of a private sale. This is a very large Arizona Wildcats banner that I got from a private pick a while back. Never really listed it or anything because I didn't really know what to price it at. But Dodie, I think it's Dodie or Dottie, I'm sorry if I got that wrong, contacted me after they watched the video recently and asked what I would take for it. So we came to a deal at 40 plus shipping, and now this is going out to Dodie. So thank you so much. I really hope you enjoy it. Go Wildcats. Now it's the moment you've all been waiting for. Time to give away the label printer. Our video pulled up right here. Do you want a free 4x6 shipping label printer? Blah, blah, blah. We're going to copy. We are going to paste it. We are going to filter duplicate users. And we are going to filter comments based on a specific text. And the text is printer. And get YouTube comments. A lot of comments on this one. Thank you guys so much for that. Funny comments, sincere comments, simple comments, detailed comments, but lots of comments, so I do appreciate that. Look at that. 928 unique commenters. That is, I'm sure that's my most commented video ever, so thank you all so much. So now we have to go over here to start raffle and pick random winner. Good luck, everyone. Who we got? Susan B. Sure would be great to not have to spend so much money on ink from my printer anymore. Pick me, pick me. Well, that is awesome. Congratulations, Susan B. You are the winner. Send me an email at froggyflips81@gmail.com with your address, and you just won a 4x6 thermal label printer. Awesome. Congratulations. Thank you all again so much for playing along. The company contacted me, actually, and said that They have an advanced model coming out pretty soon, and they're going to send me one of those. So we'll see what happens there. Advanced model to me, maybe wireless or something. I don't know. We'll see. But I still do recommend this label printer. And congratulations, Susan. I'm happy for you. All right, guys. Well, that's all I got for you today. Make sure you stick around this week for lots of exciting picking videos. Hopefully these garage sales go well over the next couple days. And hopefully I can bring you some pretty cool stuff. But as always, I want to thank you so much for watching the video. But until next time, stay safe. Stay healthy. Love ya. Bye. When they hear that cha-ching and they all look at me, I guess they'll know I'm buying this crap.